Hey, how's it going? So we're gonna be opening up this new Pokeball from the new seasonal Pokeball set. So I have opened up this one and it had 3 good pulls in a row. If y'all haven't seen that video, please go back and watch it. Like, subscribe to my video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit that like button. Also, so this what comes in the box and the ball. Comes with 3 packs. Comes with the ancient organs, lost thunder, and a burn shadow. And of course the coin right there. Boom. Okay, here's the ancient organs. Let's see if we can get back-to-back pulls on these. Yeah, Carbon Sabolize. Reverse. There's a special energy. Gumi. NK. Baltoy. Persian. Reverse Hollow Bellsong. And a EX off the back. There we go. And let me get some sleeves back quick. Hold up one moment. Gotta go run and get some sleeves real quick because these are just regular basic sleeves, nothing too crazy, but go ahead and sleeve it up. That EX right there. Boom. Here already. Quite a bit of Lost Thunders. See if we can get anything. That's the card for y'all. We got Dark Energy, Hitmontop, Bubba, Electrobuzz, Natu, Cherokee, Snowball, Waltz, Diddy. Oh, then we got this one. It's pretty nice. And then, oh, look at that. That's gonna be a fire pull right here. Boom, fire. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. 2 hits. Can it be 3 out of 3? Like the last video? Like the last Pokeball right here. 3 out of 3. But this one's way better from... Nice. Double hit right there. Not too bad. Let me go ahead and speed these up. Them are nice hits right there. Cannot complain about those hits. Oh shoot. Hold up. A little technical problems right there. Let me know which one's y'all favorite card I pulled after these videos. I think my favorite has only go to this full art right here. There we go. Let's put it back that because it's not gonna stick up. But let's see if we can get 3. Get that Charizard on this one. That would be something. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Leaf Energy, Rhydon, Lunatone, Pikachu, Panpour, Cutiefly, Pansear, and Eradicate. That was Good pull right there. Cannot complain about that. Basically got three hits on this. So it's basically, look at that. Even though the last pack wasn't a hit, I still think that ball was way worth it. Mena's the star of the show. If y'all didn't see right there. Boom. Nice little card. I think that's not, it's not whiting. Yeah, it's just little speckles. There we go. But yeah, this is Gamer Mike. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Also, if y'all haven't liked and subscribed to the video or to my channel, please do. And let me know down below which card did y'all like. So with that said, I'll see y'all in the next video.